Yeah, yeah, yes.
Like self-timers.
There was no self-timer.
Yes.
So I used that
string and the rock falling on the
button. Yeah.
And presses the shutter.
Yeah, yeah. That presses the shutter. I remember. Yeah.
Are there any other little details like that you can recall in your childhood?
Or that made me photographer.
Yeah, these little things that
yeah.
propel you.
I remember in Forest Department when I joined as a darkroom assistant, I was knowing only helping when Mr. O.P. Taneja left the Forest Department, I was alone and I used to wash the dishes, cleaning and washing. I was not known how to make a print. So one this divisional forest officer called me, said, we have an exhibition, can you prepare such and such print? Okay, I told him that I don't know how to make, but I can try. But I told him that I will make some wastage. If you allow me wastage, then I will make. Okay, you do any wastage, but you make me print. And that inspired me. You can't believe I did not make any mistake, and I make 30 print on very beginning, in the very beginning. And that was 8 by 10 prints at that time. That was very bigger print.
What do you remember? What paper you were using? Kodak or Infrared or
Agfa.
Agfa.
Agfa, yeah.
And these were all black and white.
Black and white. Yeah.
And what format were you using at this time?
120.
And what camera at this time?
Rolleiflex and Yashica. Okay. Negative.
Now, this was when he told you to make this exhibition. Did you have to take the photograph and develop and print, or were you given just the negative?
Negatives.
So he gave you the negative
and
said, Chalega, you make prints.
Yeah.
From these prints, we are going to have an exhibition.
And I have been, encouraged by that result. That make me another push one. Otherwise, I am just a helper. I can't do this one. But that inspired me
to move forward.
Yeah.
So at this time, you made 30 prints that were used in an exhibition.
Yeah.
In where was this exhibition?
This was in Mandi district of Himachal Pradesh. This local exhibition of the Forest Department.
Okay.
It's a departmental exhibition. For that, we need fresh new prints.
And you did 30 prints?
Yeah.
Okay, what was the reaction you had from people who were looking at these prints? Your first prints that you have done, and you're hanging on the wall and you're very nervous looking to see what people will say about your photographs.
They were compared with other exhibitions.
Right.
But what I can say was very encouraging result. And that helped me to push further.
So many people appreciated and spoke about the quality of your prints and how good the exhibition was.
No, I don't remember that much, but the whole from the departmental side, I was pushed and praised.
How long was this exhibition?
It was for 1 week.
1 week.
Yeah.
So this was like your first public exposure, as you could say, into putting your work on. Do you remember anyone being critical about your pictures? Anyone came and said anything about the photographs, particularly about this exhibition?
No, I don't.
You can't. Okay, so now you have finished the exhibition.
Yeah.
You are confident now that you can make a print.
I can, yes.
Do a print.
I can, yeah.
Okay, continue.
Yeah.
Then?
It was my, what you can say, in blood to have experiment. I did 6-month experiment. I used to go to my house at midnight from my office. I used to take this paper, what is the reaction, what is happening, and it take me around 6 months to understand contrast. What is contrast? Everybody say your print is contrasty. I could not understand what is contrast. They cannot explain what is contrast. There is a difference between a highlight and a low, but it's contrasty. So there are so many little things. One word added in my. I learn from other people work, from this books. Books helped me. I used to purchase this popular photography up to 96 or 98.
Okay, so basically after this exhibition, you started experimenting about paper, about film, how if I expose this twice, what it is like.
Yes, yes.
If I expose it 3 times,
what's
the tonality I will get.
Yes.
Then you said, okay.
To reduce metol, increase hydroquinone, not doing something.
Chemical increase, length of time the developer, not 2 minutes, maybe 1 minute, maybe 3 minutes like this.
Night photography.
Night photography. Yes. So basically this was like a very experimental time for you.
There was no this cable release. How I took the first night photograph. I closed the lens.
Yeah.
I tied the shutter. I put on the shutter I put something and then tied it and open it, and then I left it in, and after that I put off this lens cap.
Yeah.
Then it started, and after that I took a handkerchief and put it down, and after that it closed.
So that was your first. That was your first. Yes. So we were talking about this time when you were experimenting with film, with paper,
with
chemicals,
yeah,
and trying to understand how these 3 elements, light, developing the film at different lengths, and taking different levels of negatives and working with it. Underexposed film, working with it, overexposed film, working with it, and we can call this time your experimental phase of photography. Is this correct?
Yeah.
Okay, continue.
Many times I made night photograph.
And you were just talking about how the methodology for night photography.
Yes. I do remember one photograph of Shimla. I was expecting that the front light of the vehicle is not good for me. I want to take the back light only. So I applied this black cloth as a shutter. I use it as a shutter.
So at this time, can you explain that the normal photographers or portrait photographers were using either 4x5 or 8x10 box cameras with a cloth over them, and the technology that you were using with a little camera is duplicating the large format cameras. Is this correct?
But I want to explain that first.
Okay, go on.
This Shimla night photograph.
Okay.
Calculating of light is a very, very difficult subject. But the main city was bright. The other part of the Shimla was not so bright. So if I continuously expose then it will go over exposed. So when vehicle come on a road, I